Alright, so decided to stop here to start today's video, the Anne Arundel County Free School. I've made a video here before. If you guys know anything about the medical fields in Maryland, you'll know John Hopkins. This is where he went to school. But we're making it out. Basically, today's only real goal is to make it up to Daniels Dam on the north side of Ellicott City, fly the drone, and just enjoy the fall foliage. Trees have finally started to change, and no, just stopped here to start a video. So, like I was saying, just gonna enjoy the tree leaves changing colors. So we're gonna make our way out, and that's pretty much the only real goal for today. Let's go and see what we can get. That is sensory overload. Thank you. Nice little spot. Never have been here before, never stopped here. But also with that, I've stopped twice now, and there happens to be a person who's super friendly, super nice, talkative. But man, I'm just trying to take a leak and do an intro. I'm gonna grab a couple pictures here, and then continue onwards. Alright, so first battery stop in at about an hour and 40 minutes on one battery, down to 7%. That is just amazing. Jump. Take a bridge over your creek to your house. The 3-car garage. Alright, so we're finally here. Definitely see how I missed the road last time, but also just coming down this road was completely worth the ride because the trees were so beautiful. Let's try to figure out where we actually are, or how to get to the dam, and then I'll show you guys. Look at that. Oh. Alright, so while that place was pretty cool to see, wasn't necessarily quite what I expected, but that is okay. Did not catch the leaf. So, we're gonna make our way out. I didn't even bother pulling the drone. Way too many trees and a couple power lines. But I do want to fly it today, so I'm gonna go enjoy some more back roads and try to find someplace else that's pretty cool. Alright, so this has been a awesome spot, very pretty up here. Want to make it up here more often. It just sucks that I'm almost 2 hours away, but we were making our way home, found this spot because of the Google Maps picture of the kayaks. They were colorful, and of course I was like, oh, I want to come there and take the drone up. But definitely worth it. Super happy about today's ride. Super peaceful, super nice, and obviously just exploring and seeing all the pretty trees. But I have one more road that I've been wanting to ride for such a long time, and it's only like 2 roads away. So we're going to make it on that road to make our way back down to where I actually know where I am. But other than that, pretty much just going to beeline it home. Cut the video here, just make my way home, enjoy, try to not get too upset with traffic. But look at this sweet pickup right here. Want one of those to carry the bobber around in. But anyhow, thank you guys for checking out this video. Give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you have liked it. If you guys have any questions, comments, concerns, let me know down below and I'll get back to you. But until next time, peace